Hey there! Encountering issues with your Spectrum modem can be frustrating, especially when it affects your streaming experience. If you're struggling with a Spectrum modem blinking blue and white on Roku TV, don't worry, we're here to help. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix Spectrum modem blinking blue and white on Roku TV to restore your seamless streaming experience. Step 1. Understand the problem. Before jumping into solutions, it's important to understand what the blue and white blinking lights indicate. Typically, a blinking blue and white light on your Spectrum modem signifies connectivity issue. This might mean your modem is attempting to establish a connection or there's a disrupted internet service. Awareness of this can guide you to the appropriate solution. Step 2. Check cable connection. A loose or damaged cable can often be the culprit behind connectivity problems. Ensure that all cables connected to your modem and router are secure and undamaged. Examine the coaxial cable, Ethernet cable, and power cord. If you spot any wear or frayed wires, consider replacing them to restore a stable connection. Step 3. Restart your modem. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Unplug your modem and router from their power sources. Wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute to allow them to reset. Plug them back in, starting with the modem, and wait for the lights to stabilize. This process helps refresh the connection and might resolve the blinking issue. Step 4. Check for service outages. A network outage could also cause the blinking issue on your modem. Verify if there's a service interruption in your area by visiting Spectrum's outage information page or contacting their customer support. If there is an outage, you'll likely need to wait for Spectrum to resolve the issue on their end. Step 5. Reboot the Roku TV. If your modem seems fine and there's no service outage, the issue might lie with your Roku TV. Reboot your Roku device by unplugging it from the power source for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once restarted, this can often resolve connectivity issues between your Roku device and the internet. Step 6. Verify IP and DNS settings. Incorrect IP and DNS settings can prevent your devices from connecting to the internet. On your Roku TV, navigate to the network settings and ensure it matches the network your modem is broadcasting. Additionally, consider using Google's public DNS to enhance DNS stability. Step 7. Contact Spectrum support. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Spectrum's customer support. They can offer further troubleshooting assistance and, if necessary, dispatch a technician to assess hardware issues with your modem. Encountering a Spectrum modem blinking blue and white on Roku TV can disrupt your viewing experience, but following this step-by-step guide can quickly help you get back on track. Whether it's tightening cables, rebooting devices, or seeking support from Spectrum, these solutions ensure you can return to enjoying your favorite programs without interruption. Remember, technology hiccups happen to the best of us, and patience combined with a methodical approach can often bring things back to normal. Happy streaming.